Hello there and welcome back to Mechanic London. Here we are back at our Volvo KT. Right, I am putting the carpet in. As you can see, it's coming along quite nicely. Bit of a job. It's not just a matter of throwing it down. What I have done, if we go down here, I have put a silver foil here. I've still got the sound deadening pads up here, and we've got some nice coverings. Well, it's like it's got a bit like rock wool or something like that, and it's got a nice cover bit here, so that looks pretty good. These kick panels down the side here, they're not quite the same shape as the original fits a lot better, so what I've had to do down the bottom is peel a few of the staples out, trim it back, and then restaple it, which is not a problem, but that's on. And the same on the other side. Although this carpet's all laid at the moment, I'm still working it all out where we're going with it. You can see a bit of the silver shining up there. Always these carpets are a bit shorter up here. If I was having it made again, I would have probably asked for that to be a bit longer. Back seats in. What we've done, you can see a bit of the silver, and then there's a bit of insulation here, and that's just on top there, so you don't see all that silver as well, so it's a bit of a void, and hopefully that will keep it a bit quieter as well. And I might later on along here we can put some more of the black insulation there to finish that off. So the seats in all the way around, stuff's in here, panels in here, a bit tricky to fit, but they do go. Along here you can get most of the clips in. I think one at the back on this side, and I think the same on the other side is quite tricky. Then you've got the carpet that runs around there. It mainly tips up in the middle. We've got the clamps as well, and then that goes there. So I've managed to oh, there's the seat. Yeah, well, I've managed to lose a clip for the seat somewhere to hold that in. But I have, there in this box here, managed to pick myself up a nice clock on Mr. eBay. So I haven't tried that yet. That looks pretty good. What else? I've put the pipes in down to the brake servo. I've ran those under the screen washer bottle. I found a picture from when the car was advertised, and you can see it running along here, down here, and down. You know, it's up to yourself, I suppose, which way you want to do it, and as long as it's obviously safe. And they run around here. And the battery, I fitted an 069. It's got a bit of a flare in these modern batteries down the bottom. So when you tie it in here, it tends to flip up. So for the time being, until I maybe find another one, I will. I've just put a piece of wood there just to stop it flipping when you tighten it. I've put the clamp here. I suppose if you did put it here, then that you wouldn't get that problem. But I would always be worried that, you know, if any reason it would slide here onto the terminals. So I'm not going to do that. Piece of ply underneath to stop the battery rubbing. Okay, that's where we are at the moment, and hopefully the next time we'll have a seat in, or a seat in, and we can go for a spin. Okay, thanks very much, and don't forget to follow us on Mechanic London on Facebook, and hope all your projects are going well, and thanks for your feedback and your emails, and ta-ta for now. Thanks.